Yo. All right, you guys, it is time. It is time to show you how you can publish your own games on GameGen.Games, the coolest website in the whole world, without any help at all. So here's this project file that I prepared for you guys to kind of show you the basics. If I run it, let's go look at it. Super cool, just a little GameGen.Games logo with some physics on it. But I want you to notice up here what the tab says. See, this tab says New Project, Construct 2 in our window. That is not juicy. We need to get this. If you want to publish the pro way, we need to change what this says. So before I publish, I always come into here, my projects tab. And if you don't see it, remember, it's under view. You've got to have your projects bar open. And I want to rename this. So let's rename this to, it would be my game name. So if you're going to call your thing Tank War, I'd call it Tank War. But I'm just going to call this GameGen.Games. And now watch what happens when I preview. That tab, is GameGen.Games. So this is the way you can rename your tab. All right, very cool. Let's show you the other thing you want to do when you export. You want to go to File. You want to go to Export Project, and we're going to bundle up a whole HTML5 website. It's going to collect all your sound effects, your code, your art, and bundle it together with the JavaScript and the HTML to make a website that anybody can load up. So click on this, hit Next, and you can save it to anywhere you want. I just save it to the desktop because we'll end up deleting this file later, but this is, I'm going to save mine right to the desktop. And you'll notice that it already, if I've named my project already, it'll just auto name this thing, which is nice and handy. And if you've already got a great project name, you don't need to worry about even naming this. You can just hit Next. But if it's saving in some weird place, you would click on these three little dots here, select desktop, and hit OK. But if you do that now, look, it just says desktop. You need to go in and give it that name. You need to give it this name right here, GameGen.Games or Tank War or something like that. Now you can have spaces here. You can use spaces, and this name right here is what people are going to see on your GameGen.Games page. Like they'll click on Tank War. I'm just going to put in GameGen.Games, but this is the name of the project kind of file they'll see on your website. So it's real important to get this capitalized and spelled right and spaced the way you want it to, okay? So this is the name of your folder link on your page. This is the name for the tab at the top of your website browser. All right, when I'm all done, I hit Next and hit Export. You don't need anything of this. Don't worry about these things. Export. It's going to go. It's collecting all of my JavaScript, all of my HTML, all of my art and the sound effects, and putting them all into that one project folder. And the bigger your project is, the longer it's going to take, okay? So just be patient, wait, it's working. Cool, it's done. So I can click on this and open destination folder, just see everything. There it is, cool. I go back to my desktop, and this is the folder that I care about right here. This folder has all of my stuff in it, everything in there. So cool. All right, so what I want you guys to do? Well, I want you guys to either open up one of your projects to export, or you can click the download button under here, under this video, and download this project to use and open it up in Construct just to test out publishing. All right, you guys, go in there, open up one of your files, open up this file, and export out as an HTML5. Make sure you get this right. Make sure you get this right. All right, good luck.